Congratulations on your purchase. Hi, I'm Sammy Sinatra with Sirius Signal. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the compact, high-intensity F1 CR123 waterproof floating flashlight. Start by removing the flashlight from its packaging. The battery is included and installed at the time of purchase. Unscrew the orange module completely by turning counterclockwise. 3 rubber O-rings keep the flashlight sealed tight from any water or debris at an IP68 rating. On the inside of the module will be a white insulator disc, which prevents any accidental battery discharge from the long-lasting CR123 lithium battery. Before the light will operate, you must remove this disc and reinstall the orange module on the flashlight. Turn the module completely clockwise until light illuminates. Now twist counterclockwise to turn off. Your Sirius Signal F1 CR123 waterproof floating flashlight is now ready for use. For proper battery replacement and additional service information, please visit SiriusSignal.com. Thank you, USA, first in quality.